Hello everybody. I'm filming a quick video. I had this bottle of It's a Tin hair mask. It's really good conditioner. And it was cavitating, like the pump was acting up. And I assumed, like most bottles, that it had a pump and a tube, and that the tube, the valve was bad or the tube was cracked, because you pump it and you get like an eighth of a pump and it would kind of pop out. And I'm like, well, that's not right. So I was going to take it apart, and I did take it apart. But what I'm going to tell all of you is you don't have to take it apart. There's a big spring, I believe, and an insert in the bottom. And so it's actually pushing it all up against the top. It's actually pushing it against the nozzle, more or less. So when you pump, you're squirting out what's in this part up here. Then when it goes up, it lets it refill. The vacuum of it going up draws in the next squirt. So the pump is actually all the way up here at the top, and there is no tube. So if you're having trouble with it cavitating, what I would do, it's counterintuitive, is you actually knock the product to the top. Okay? This, like I say, was popping and spitting. And I took it apart, and you can, but what you'll find is when you pop all that product to the top, you see it's working perfectly. I mean, it's definitely working better. It was doing pop, pop, pop. Now it's doing, snake, snake, steak. But either way, definitely get the job done. So you don't have to take it apart. Just knock the product up against the top. It's counterintuitive.